Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to see all messages in Samsung Messages app. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to see all messages on Samsung Messages app, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung Messages app on your phone. Click on the three lines and then the funnel icon just beside the search box. Once you click on that, you'll see this pop up. To see all messages, you need to make sure you select all SIMs. Now, once you choose all SIM, this is going to show all messages you have in your inbox on your both SIMs. Now, go ahead and click on OK, and then you are good. So, if you have a message in your first SIM, it's going to pop, and if you have a message in your second SIM, it's going to appear in the messages inbox. So, that is basically how to show or display all messages in Samsung Messages app. So, if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.